Hi, I'm Larry, here for Testrite Aluminum to talk to you about steel round bases. These bases are laser cut on our machines in Hackensack, New Jersey. Testrite Aluminum stocks two sizes of round steel bases, 11-inch round and 15-inch round. The 11-inch round weighs 5 pounds. The 15-inch round base weighs 9 pounds. We process the edges so as not to rust. We stock these two round steel bases in two colors, matte black with a fine texture and satin silver with a fine texture. The round bases are available with 3 different center details. Choice number 1 is a male 1/4-20 thread. Choice number 2, formed countersink to be able to receive a 1/4-20 flathead screw from the underneath up. Choice number 3, a receiving bushing for an aluminum tube. The 15-inch base accepts an 1.5-inch round tubing with an 0.38 wall. The 11-inch has a choice of receiving it with a bushing as well, but to receive a 1-inch diameter tube, also with an 0.38 wall thickness. Our steel bases all come with small felt dots on the underneath so as not to scratch any surface they're put on. Our round steel bases are manufactured in Hackensack, New Jersey, and in quantities of 25 or more. You can have your choice of thickness, color, shape, size, fitting. Testrite Aluminum does pack out and fabrication. Make your project a success. Buy parts online from Testrite Aluminum.